y'all! So a lot of you like the little accordion that I did in my journal in the last video, so I wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about another interactive element that you can make in your junk journals. So interactive elements can be as intricate or as simple as you like them to be, and they're typically baked into the construction or binding process of making a junk journal. But in this season of the channel, we're focused on cultivating and refining our personal style within our junk journals, not so much about actually constructing the book. So I will be showing you this interactive idea within a pre-bound journal, just like this one, and like what I've been doing in previous videos. Pockets are the junk journal artist's go-to. I mean, there's so many different types of pockets, like coin envelopes, regular envelopes, belly bands. I'm sure I'm missing one. Tuck spots. And if I am missing any more, please remind us in the comments of all the different types of pockets that you can make. And pockets are great because they're really versatile and easily adaptable to whatever your personal style is. We all have access to these different types of pockets and sizes, but the way we make it our own is through placement, embellishment, and what you choose to put inside of it. This is where style comes in. In this example, I'm making little tuck spots. I could put them in the corners, which we've seen many times, but instead I wanted to integrate them in the main collage and stagger them near the center of the page. My choice for embellishment is simple, because that is my aesthetic preference, but there's so much opportunity to layer more ephemera, sew, or paint, depending on what you enjoy doing in your books. What you choose to put inside of your pockets, like everything that you do in your journal, should reflect you as an artist. I'm a writer, so it was obvious to me that little scraps of writing should go inside. And I love the idea of concealment, so the scraps are folded. But you may love photography. You could place photos inside. Or maybe you love journaling with collages and don't write, so instead you place decorated cards or tags. Or maybe even make mini booklets with pages adorned with ephemera. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this was going to be a quick one, and the reason for that is because I wanted to show you how simple it can be to come up with unique and interesting things to do within your journal that are personal to your style and aesthetic. As long as you have a simple grasp on the lingo and the techniques such as what a tuck spot is, you can take that idea and run with it. So after you watch this video, I want you to choose a pocket type. It could be any type and any size, and then think about where you want to lay it out on the page, what kind of embellishments you're going to use, and what are you going to put inside of it. And if you want to take it one step further, do it on multiple pages. Play with different combinations, and it will reveal so much about your personal style, and it will teach you a lot about page layout. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.